In this lesson, I'll discuss the importance of first communicating with the Homeowners Association to help organize your process to cancel your timeshare obligation. It's very important that you make an initial contact with your Timeshare Homeowners Association to inquire of your options. The first thing you want to do is call or email them and request of your options to cancel your timeshare. You want information on what you need to do to transfer the timeshare from you to another person. Don't tell them that you're going to cancel it yourself, as this can initiate unnecessary conversations and conflicts. Just request what you need to do to transfer the deed. Ask where to forward the documents and to whom. Include this in your checkoff list. Okay? Deed buyback program. Many resorts have a deed buyback program, but may not advertise it. Ask them, and they'll inform you. Some may want to charge you to return the deed to them, and that's up to you if you want to pay them or not. You don't have to pay them, but it may make things easier for all parties. You can never cancel is a scare tactic. Many may harshly inform you that they will not allow you to cancel and that you're responsible for it for the rest of your life unless you sell it or give it away. Keep in mind that the people you're communicating with are employees who've been informed what to say to owners who want to cancel. They do not want to lose an owner and prevent those maintenance fees from coming in. Again, you are in control, and so take control and do not accept their answer. Just obtain all the contact information that you need and then move on. In the next section, you're going to prepare your legal documents to finally cancel your timeshare obligation.